Get ready for the biggest, cutest, and most exciting showdown of the year. Before the Kansas City Chiefs and Philadelphia Eagles compete in the 2025 Super Bowl, it's time for the 21st Annual Puppy Bowl. 1. Puppy Bowl XXI premieres on Animal Planet on Sunday, February 9th at p.m. East 1. This year's anniversary features a record-breaking 142 puppies from 80 shelters and rescues across 40 states and 2 countries. 1. More than just a game, Puppy Bowl is about raising awareness for animal shelters and finding forever homes for adorable pups. 1. Throughout the 3-hour program, viewers will learn more about the dogs, the shelters, and the people who dedicate their lives to caring for them. 1. This year, you'll meet 11 special needs canine players looking for their forever homes, including Julius, a hearing-impaired Dalmatian, Marmalade, a sight and hearing-impaired Border Collie and Australian Cattle Dog mix, Mykonos, an American Staffordshire Terrier and Bulldog mix with a cleft palate, among others. Let's meet some of the starting lineup. First up, Team Fluff. Abigail, a Labrador Retriever mix, is an energy-filled puppy that will run laps around Team Rough. Alice, a Chihuahua mix, proves that although she is small, she is mighty. Carl, a Bulldog mix, is known for his calm, cool, and collected demeanor on and off the field. Charlotte, an American Cocker Spaniel, has a reputation for being a team player. Kiki, a fluffy Chihuahua mix, is sure to make you smile. Paws Allen, a Labrador Retriever mix, is known for his impressive upper body strength. Smoosh, a Pekingese, is the first of his breed to take the Puppy Bowl field. Whoopi, a Great Pyrenees mix, is a big sweetheart who'll have her head in the game. And now, Team Rough. Beethoven, a Great Pyrenees mix, is full of curiosity and will capture the hearts of everyone watching. D-Bone Samuel, a Poodle mix, is shy at first, but once the game gets started, the ball will constantly be in his paws. Demure, a Cairn Terrier, is full of energy and will be the first one on the field to make friends with anyone, even the opposing team. Enrique, a miniature pincher mix, will cheer his team on as they compete for the Lombarky trophy. Foxtrot, a Collie mix, has a happy-go-lucky spirit that will come in handy when his teammates need a little motivation. Max, a 3-legged Doberman Pinscher, is a free-spirited pup who is always ready to catch a ball. Mr. Pickles, a Pug mix, is the ideal competitor thanks to his feisty, talkative personality. Trio, a Boston Terrier, is a small breed, but his huge personality makes him a force to be reckoned with on the field. Last year, Team Rough took home the Lombarky trophy with a 72-69 victory over Team Fluff. But this year, the competition is even steeper. Who will win the Lombarky trophy this year? Information on how to adopt the puppies, donate to shelters, and spread awareness. Don't miss Puppy Bowl XXI on Animal Planet. Sunday, February 9th at p.m. East 1. Tune in to see these adorable puppies